So good morning students again. Let us solve one more numerical which is wind based on wind turbine or windmill. The wind is blowing at the wind is blowing at the rate of 10 meter per second, having the atmosphere at 1 bar 400 Kelvin. This wind is harnessed by a wind turbine having its efficiency of 30%. Find the total power and the actual power per square meter of rotor area which can be developed by the turbine. Full stop. Assume R is equal to 287 Newton meter per kg Kelvin. R is specific gas constant. R is nothing but the specific gas constant. So let us read the problem statement again. The wind is blowing at the rate of 10 meter second, having the atmosphere at 1 bar 400 Kelvin. This wind is harnessed by wind turbine having its efficiency of 30%. Find the total power and the actual power per square meter of rotor area which can be developed by the turbine. Assume R is equal to 287 Newton meter per kg Kelvin. R is specific gas constant. So let us write down the given data first. So P is equal to 1 bar which equals to 10 raised to 5 Newton meter. T equals to 400 degree Kelvin. Velocity or the speed of the wind V equals to 10 meter per second. Efficiency is 30%, so it will be 0.3. Area equals to 1 meter square, okay, and R equals to 287 Newton meter per kg Kelvin. So let us find out first density of the air. Density of air rho equals to P by RT. So P is 10 raised to 5, R is 287 and temperature is 400. So the value will be equals to 1 exponential 5 divided by 287 multiplied by 400. So the answer is 0.871 kg meter cube. Okay, that is what is the density of the air. Okay, now the maximum wind power. Maximum wind power is equal to Pmax equals to 1 by 2 rho into A into V cube. Okay, so will be equals to 1 by 2 into rho is 430, sorry, rho is nothing but the 0.8711 into A is 1 and into velocity is 10 cube, isn't it? So the value will be equals to into 1 exponential 3 divided by 2, 435.55. So 435.55 watt, that is what is the Pmax. And then actual power, will be equals to P equals to efficiency into Pmax. So efficiency is 0.3, Pmax is 435.55. So the answer will be into 0.3, 130.665, 130.665 watt. So this is what is the value of actual power. Okay, so I hope you might have understood this particular problem. That's it for this lecture. Thank you so much. All the best.